Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this item. We're going to take a look at it and figure out what it is. I believe it is some headlight bulbs for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner Limited 4x4 from Auxito Lighting. But we'll see. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, like I said in the introduction portion of the video, this should be a set of headlights for 1996 to 2002 4Runners. Should be from Auxito Lighting. Should be headlight bulbs. LED headlight bulbs, to be specific. I could be wrong, because I haven't really heard from them since they emailed me. But we'll get it open and we'll see. It just says USWC2 warehouse, Brea Canyon Road, Walnut, California. It has my information on it. It's not very specific. It looks like it might be. Yep, it is the LED light bulbs from Auxito, global supplier for automotive. It's got a little thank you for your purchase. I didn't actually purchase this. I'm not really sure why they sent that. They just asked for my information, asked if I'd like to do a video on them. And I said, sure, why not? It's very nicely packaged in plastic wrap. That is something that I like. This says high brightness, easy to install, IP65 waterproof, and fast heat dissipation. The packaging is to me a nice plus. It's very well packaged with this plastic covering. The box is pretty nice. H7, H8, H9, H11, H10, H16, H16. This does have a little check mark on it. 9003, H4, or HB2. So that's nice that they labeled it. Auxito H4 9C03 LED. Pack of 2. Voltage DC 9 to 30 volts. Turn this light on, there you go. 9 to 30 volts, IP rated, IP65, light source, Zeus chip, color temp 6500 Kelvin. I guess we'll see. Operating temperature -40 to 176. Oh, it says plus 176. Operating life is 30,000 hours. Body material, aviation aluminum, 6063. It's definitely very well packaged. Does come with a little booklet. Looks like maybe the fan is internal. Looks like there might be a fan right here. Well, maybe not. I don't see any fan blades. It is H3. Or H4. H4. Yeah, not H3. H3 would be a fog light bulb. Sorry, guys. H4. Looks like they're very well made. Decently packaged. Gives product specs like the box says. Kind of looks like generic installation instructions. This is for an H7, 903 H4, 9004, 903 H1, H3, 9007 HB5. Release the buckle, insert the lamp body, connect the plug, reinsert the buckle. So H4s are pretty easy. Same with H3s. H11, H8, H9, 9005, HB3, 9006, HB4, 9012, HR2. To a 24-month warranty. It's got information about air warnings, no lights flickering, how to get a warranty honored, and then it goes into the same information in Chinese. But it's a nice little set. This is just going to be the quick little unboxing. I'm also going to be probably inserting some of this footage into the upcoming install video. We're going to be installing these. We're going to be doing some lux readings compared to a halogen bulb, as well as the light output. I'll probably insert one of these into like one of the lamps, leave the halogen in the other side so you guys can see the color difference and everything else. Who knows, I may leave them in, I may not, I don't know. It's going to depend on if it's easier to see in where I live with the yellow halogen bulbs I have installed, or if it's going to be easier to see with the LEDs. I still need to put my HID conversion kit that I put on the 2000 SR5 Millennium Silver 4Runner. I probably need to switch those over as soon as possible. I've just kind of been lazy since the truck accident, but I'm probably going to switch those over to Rose, which is the 2000 Limited 4x4. But who knows? I'm going to try these on the 2000 Limited 4x4 we call Rose. If I like them, I'll leave them in, and I'll just put the headlights on the 1997 Limited I call Beast. Maybe I'll put my HID projectors on that guy. Who knows? But just a quick little video. These are pretty nice little lamps. I'm not gonna lie, they're very nicely packaged. They look well made. The seams are not extremely noticeable. They do feel pretty nice. Branding looks nice. C750513, DC 9 to 30 volts direct current. The little Allen head screw right there, and there's one right there. These are nice little units. Install them, see how well they come out, and what they look like. So this is just going to be the quick little unboxing video. I do appreciate you guys watching. As always, if Auxito likes these videos that I do on these, possibly will be sending us some more stuff, including brake light bulbs and turn signal bulbs and LEDs. I have the 2000 SR5 that's fully outfitted, even after the Ratchet was fully outfitted with LEDs for turn signals, brake lights, third brake light, turn signals in the front, the parking lights, everything, including the interior bulbs, were all LEDs. I did the same thing right before got Rose. I actually bought all LEDs for the brake lights, third brake light, parking lights, dome, and interior lights. All those things I purchased like 2 days before we got Rose, except for the headlights. The headlights and fog lights are still halogens. And on Sky, the 2000 SR5, her headlights and fog lights are HIDs. So we'll give these a try. I technically have only used LEDs once before, and they were like 6500 Kelvin also, and they were just too hard to see. On black pavement, even when it was raining, you couldn't see anything because the blue was just too much blue, and it caused it hard to see in the rain. Yellow is probably the best color when it comes to headlights, or even cream color headlights when you're driving in rain. But we'll give these a try, see how well they work. The other ones I had that were LED were Morimoto's. But I do, you know, maybe I can find them because I had put them up, and maybe we'll compare this to a set of Morimoto's, and then we'll compare these and the Morimoto's to the regular Hologible. Maybe that will be a good video for everybody. But at the moment, appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!